Pre-engineering is for students who are interested in things like robotics, coding, and things of that nature. What happens is, as a freshman, they take 2 courses, one of which is Intro to Computational Thinking, and I think the second is Intro to Robotics. And from there, every year, they take 2 additional courses in the pre-engineering pathway, so that when they graduate, they have hopefully a total of 8 pre-engineering courses, and on their diploma, they can have a silver or gold endorsement.
Of course, as you know, we do build robots, and we build them for competitions that we do throughout the school year. We just had one pass, and what we have to do with these particular robots is we have to pick up these rings and we have to put them on goals in order to earn points. And so in order to create a robot, you don't only engineer the robot, so you don't only build it, but you also have to program it so it can actually move and do everything that you want it to do. In robotics, we learn a C++-like language, if you know what that is, and we take that language and we program it onto the different engines that we have on the robot, so that those engines can move, and that we can make the wheels move, we can make any arms that we have move, and it's actually a really interesting process.
Upperclassmen around a junior level, you can join Advanced Robotics, which is ran under the VEX company, and the VEX company gives you a competition. And you can go to world, you can go to state, and you can go to a local level. And the more you go up, the more impressive people you're going to be in front of by. So these people have a lot of money, and the money they want to give to you. So if you impress them and do well, it can pay for your college, it can open opportunities, internships, etc. And you can get really important people's attention through VEX Robotics. It's also very fun. On a social side, you can pick your team. So you can spend 3 years as a freshman, sophomore, and junior learning the people that you work well with, builders and programmers and engineers, and you design your team, and then off of the VEX company, they give you a game every year that's new, and those are your only restrictions, and you build a robot completely from scratch. And here at Liberty, we always have a mentor on hand, whether that's an engineer or a scientist, to help you and guide you, but other than that, it's all team-based.